All right, everyone. So today in the Krista Mayshore Coaching CRM, we are going to go ahead and set up the transaction coordination domain name inside the platform. So here are the step-by-step instructions. We're going to go to settings at the bottom left corner. So we'll go ahead and click on settings down here in the Krista Mayshore Coaching CRM. And then we are going to go ahead and select domains directly after that. Now in the top right corner, you will see a plus sign and add new domain, green button. Go ahead and click that green button. And we are going to select a domain that we're going to use. So I've got closers.solutions right here. So what we're going to do is go ahead and select forms, because this needs to be a subdomain, and then closers.solutions. So this could be this could be a .com, this can be a .org, this can be any domain that you own. I'm just using this one for an example or a reference. Forms is going to be your subdomain. And so if we take a look at this, it's going to say that we need to make sure that we create an A name or a C name record. Go ahead and create the C name record. I've seen the best results with this. So what we're going to do is hop over to GoDaddy. Whatever your domain provider is going to be is what you're going to use. And it should be a very similar setup where we're going to go ahead and click under DNS records. So what I would do first is I would click on my domain from my list of domains on GoDaddy. And once I've clicked on that domain, I would scroll down and click Manage DNS. So from Manage DNS, we're going to then go and add a CNAME record. And the host is going to be forms, because that is what I created for the subdomain here. So make sure that your subdomain is going to be the host. And then we're going to point to flash.funnels.msgsndr.com. We're going to click back over. Points to, very important, I want to make sure that I hit the backspace at the very front, and at the rear I want to make sure that I hit delete. I don't want any spaces in front or behind of the points to or the forms. And then for TTL, we are going to go to custom, and we're going to do every 600 seconds. This is where I've gotten the best results to be able to connect the quickest on the CRM. So go ahead and hit save. Once you've saved here on this end, we'll go ahead and click add. And this will come up right out of the gate. It's going to say we couldn't find a CNAME or an A name record. It's going to take a moment for it to connect. So it might take a handful of attempts, but once you've done it a couple of times, it should go ahead and connect. Just there we go. So now that has connected, what you do is you would go ahead and add this into your forms and link that domain. And we also want to add this to the MGS1 listing appointment pipeline as well, and the form directory. So this is how you would actually add any domain to your platform, and you can link those to your landing pages or funnels. And so this will take a moment to link. And there we go. So now what we're going to do is we are going to click into our funnels and websites, and we need to make sure that we add this into all of these. So I'm going to go to the form directory, and I'm going to go into settings, and we'll see a domain here. So we'll select the domain and make sure that you hit save in the bottom right corner. Once you have saved here, we're going to go ahead and go back, and we're going to add this into the seller forms that we need to do as well. So let's find that. Here we go, MGS1 listing appointments. And then we're going to go to settings and select from the drop down. And we'll select that and go ahead and add that in. So now the domain is connected to all of your forms, and you should be good to go. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.